na Mustapha Hamid no omuade esa Mustapha Hamid muade esa sa na otie okay ye beba no so ene Mustapha Hamid aya de bi wo court mechire mu ade awaye yes mechire mu ade amai Mustapha Hamid aya wo court nde na before no we Ashanti governor His Excellency Bernard Antwi Bose Yakum, Ashanti governor. Yes, we Wontumi. Hey, hey. Anyway, young proceed. Me mamu ya we say chairman Wontumi case no de akopie mu ewo appeals court. Yeah. Na nearby ni Mame mamu background story kakra na entwa so from there na menchira mu ne Mustapha Hamid aye wo court ne so ne asi yani chairman Wontumi na say open up the defense ewo Accra High Court be a main issue no ye den be a main issue no ekoso na say open up the defense no ko fa na witnesses ne ngina so eba be chese edi kire say yes menso mengina so ani ya twen Wontumi sa Wontumi antima amfa any witness amba ye be wan say Wontumi a directing the lawyers say on tam case no tam case no nkonko pi appeals court na appeals court ma high court enya den anhalti eye case na ekoso high court na appeals court say no mentimi nye nti earlier on me ba be bo mama ne say appeals court aye den abosa Wontumi application no de ban rano and rana no de ban de o mabo ato atwini na abrande Wontumi ko piem wo court aya bo ato atwini na tese Wontumi na nimi nyina ya mobo tese menhu I don't know how I will describe Wontumi for you tese Wontumi o ko ka oni omo mugina ho no nyina na obi ani masesa ave Wontumi say anti ba bi aduru no and yet me sure say Wontumi team no toko na friend atu no say ankoyi ko was court me say toko no be friend Wontumi aka say no ankoyi fa ko iko was court. This is Wontumi where you Wontumi ewo appeals court one day and him shaya bote kaya wodenina everyone when you want some you say about it kaya wodenina enti chairman Wontumi no Ashanti governor yeah enche obe national chairman enti baby aduru de Wontumi se ni aya na aya no jise chase osiri kra ma Wontumi zire ma chase azemu anyway court Accra High Court amana last chance yeah me ba be bomb ho amane Accra High Court ama Wontumi last chance say on filing a witness enje 10 times so na wanya 10 times so ani besi enti we Wontumi andimu wo court ndeno na bra ye dismissing application no ewo appeals court now me be kira mo ne Mustapha Hamid mo amuni Mustapha Hamid no Mustapha Hamid under Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo as president na Mustapha Hamid na oye National Petroleum Authority boss NPA National Petroleum Authority na wo mu boss ene Mustapha Hamid na MPP free power no ena oral eba abontin ebe kire ye say corruption bi koso MPA wa na Mustapha Hamid ne nkrofo bi ewo mana chese sika bi e Ghana sika fa o munsem o mu de Ghana MPA di business the oral hand over sa issue no the attorney general so started prosecution in fact not even oral mu fanchemi not oral kra sorry issue no nya oral issue sa Mustapha Hamid case no kra ye case ana ewo ye friend say OSP nsem mu fanchemi pa OSP ene kura na case na nya oral e mistake na me ye OSP ene ye prosecutor for Mustapha Hamid ni case no. And then you see what court ni. Mustapha Hamid go through court no. Asemo catch the judge are not to court no case no so, and then say OSP need to me be a say obe prosecute me. Enti no chese Wontumi asem ne ntwini na mun discharge me na menya me freedom. You know why? Once recently court be release say OSP betimanya to me prosecute you be a say ya amend the law no. You understand? Say OSP needs out to me no ruling never recently no. Enti Mustapha Hamid capitalize on that. I catch the judge not the case no so say okay, ruling na ba ya say OSP need to me obetimaya any prosecution. Ena onu nso na ekura me case no ente me I will not agree me ntiase emrabia ni we ma OSP to me say obetima prosecute me ente mun discharge me na me nko na me ti sa news na me hu say okay when the reason ente ana Mustapha Hamid ye so confident ye bold enough be gina camera mo say the case ni useless no. You understand? So he was bold enough in court today. Say court nyada and discharge no. Na OSP need to me bia. Na response our court the brand ni. Take a look at this. Court case update. Republic vs Mustapha Hamid and others. The High Court today refused an invitation to discharge the accused persons on grounds that the OSP has no prosecutorial power, citing a High Court ruling dated 15 April 2026. The court noted the various ongoing proceedings relating to the OSP's prosecutorial mandate and adjourned the trial to 26 May 2026, by which time there may be greater clarity. Counsel for the accused argued that the OSP lacks prosecutorial authority to bring the charges. The OSP maintained that it possesses such authority under its enabling status, which are in force and operation statutes, which are in force and operation and have not been repealed, amended, revoked, or struck down. And Mustapha Hamid ka sem we chire court na court me say no yempini ya adwani trial no to 26 May next month May and a trial no ebe koso but say Mustapha Hamid gina court and him say OSP need to me be obetimi dia prosecuting in their line enya adwuma nti sa asem na Mustapha Hamid kan wo Accra High Court ndeno judge no to case no so ka tire say massa for one twitwi form sa asem na o kan no enye jese yemfa. Now you see the arrogance Ghana nkwana obi ye corruption no I mean impunity ne wo kroma na etuma Ghana nkwana o man obi ye corruption na such person feel so big. Now when compare North Korea na say Iraq na say any of the Asian countries na kaya hwehwe omukura ye hu omubio ba yesi yeti kroma na yesi democracy and a democracy and nkrofo aye corruption and omujimi omo ho obi aye corruption na the allegation atuno so an case that court no abegina camera nim say the audacity say me case ni useless. Now I don't blame them. OSP na nkasa no ye nim ni oye OSP na nkasa na me blame no. So sadia we see no ti asema efia pokua be kan o say now that the High Court has refused to discharge accused persons on the basis that the OSP lacks the authority to prosecute, we go see. Once a ruling ni free court by ya na ye kire say OSP need to me obetima prosecute no. Nipa ba ko kasatia was efia pokua and the efia pokua is on Facebook today jubilating say the see a High Court say on tiasie OSP that's who to me and I say the see a friend say High Court say sa asem na Mustapha Hamid can say this charge no a High Court nanti no at the end of the day na fere ye be hwe say e de na attorney general be ye because na issue na kwa say Attorney General office against the OSP office no and it is a no that same High Court say they will not discharge Mustapha Hamid just because OSPN need power to what? To prosecute. And you know something? Man, I don't know me, Shana Nimramu Baby Wagana, but Senka High Court the bet me uncle Mundu is okay. Yen transfer Mustapha Hamid case in Fama to Nigeria. You see, my the reason until Mustapha Hamid is so confident out, I said he's not too scared and say case no always been some. Mupa muma yen transfer case with Fama Attorney General just for a month. You better have the the reason until Mustapha Hamid nam krum ha peja na betting nyina nya bibianti. The problem is that case no office of the special prosecutor and some my entam case in free OSP some Fama Attorney General na yen hwa de okrum ha. I'm telling you. Let's just hand over the case to Attorney General Keke. Na yen hwa de. So, and then your course so a high court no. Mustapha Hamid catch the court and say they should discharge him. Now the office of the special prosecutor any power to prosecute him. And the Sahara ruling now course so on 15th November or high court no. Sahara ruling no na Mustapha Hamid he tried to capitalize on Sahara ruling no to discharge himself. And I'm waiting. So they say grow until say you be fact corruption fight serious no or mind we that's what baby I'm telling you 69 years of independence share bravo are you not shy, are you not ashamed, are you not sad? Share bravo 69 years will beat me your corruption and the person is walking freely. Huh? Anyway, Ashanti governor. So, near course or court and then what is your take on this issue? I'll be right back. Maybe making fantastic. Good evening.